how to make a Super Bowl Squares game online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and run a Super Bowl Squares game online for free. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So if you're trying to run a football or Super Bowl Squares game online, what I recommend is going to be onlinefootballsquares.com. And that's because it's completely free. You don't have to create an account. You just share the game by sharing a link. And they also have live scoring updates. So as the game goes on, it'll show the score, and it also will automatically pick winners for each quarter. Check the description. I'll have a direct link down there. But once you get to onlinefootballsquares.com, all you need to do is select create your game. Then on the create page, if you're doing a Super Bowl Squares game and you want the live scoring and the winners to be picked automatically, make sure you select NFL. They do support other sports. If you want it to be manual where there's no live scoring, select manual. But I'm going to select NFL, then the drop down here, and I'm just going to select the Super Bowl game. Once I do that, it'll automatically assign the different teams. We first need to select our formats. So standard where there's 4 winners, or with overtime where there's 5 winners if there's an overtime. Then you can edit the names if you want to. After that, give it an admin password, and you use this to kind of control the game and make sure that you can replace squares or clear squares, things like that. After that, you can create a player password that people need to use to be able to join the game. You can add a game title so people can recognize it, such as like, office party, Super Bowl party, something like that. Then just select the agree and select create game. Now that we're here, all we need to do is share this link right here, and anyone with the link will be able to go in and start selecting squares. Then they enter their name and select save. And as you can see, it'll save their square on the grid. As the grid fills up, it'll show you the number of players, the number of squares claimed. You can also scroll down and see a full list of the players, as well as a full list of activity. So every square claimed or removed, it'll be down here in the activity so that everyone knows the game has integrity, which is always nice. Then at the top, as an admin, once the squares are all claimed, you can assign the random numbers that are on the outside automatically. It'll randomly generate them. You can also lock the grid so no changes can be made. And you can also change the score manually if you need to, if there's an issue, something like that, but I haven't seen that. Additionally, you can copy the link to share. But in here in the settings, we have some more where you can edit the game title. You can edit the team names and the colors if you want to. So just some settings in there. Now I'm on a demo game here, so you can see what it looks like during and after the game. But as you can see, the live scoring will show up at the top, as well as where the game can be watched, and it'll show you the score at the end of each quarter and the winner of that quarter. So if I scroll down, I can see the grid, and it'll highlight the winners with the associated color for that quarter. You can also see the names down here. So that's how you make a Super Bowl Squares game online. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.